This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. Watch virtual 3D tour above, voted #1 retirement community in the USA by Travel and Leisure. Stunning, turnkey, fully updated, maintenance-free, waterfront/golf course view condo nestled in highly desirable Toscana community of Renaissance. A piece of paradise offering one of the best water/golf course views. Bring your cloths and toothbrush, everything stays, except some personal items, and start living. Open floor plan has almost 2,500 square feet of living space and is accessed via your private elevator that is maintained by the association. Water/golf course view from the covered, screened and private lanai are immediate once you enter the great room. Open floor plan makes it ideal for entertaining. Custom kitchen updates are part of the $100K plus updates that have been incorporated in this unit: all wood, raised panel cabinetry, crown molding, undermount lighting, panel end caps and pull-out shelving. QUARTZ countertops with a soft modern pattern and a backsplash made of travertine complement the space. The island boasts a large surface counter with seating for 6, perfect for family gatherings. Stainless steel appliances including gas range are all part of the beautiful upgrades. The entire house is furnished with contemporary and comfortable pieces. The great room has a spectacular water/golf course view, accommodates both an intimate dining area and breakfast area for those informal meals. Primary bedroom has a custom accent wall and tray ceiling treatment, crown molding along with magnificent views of the water and tropical landscaping. Updated ensuite has a walk-in shower with seamless glass, linear drain and shower control smartly placed. The vanity has dual Kohler undermount sinks, counters and storage including shared and individual drawers. Newer light fixtures, hardware and framed mirrors complete the design while adding functionality. The walk-in closet has a California-style closet system. The split plan offers ULITMATE privacy with larger, secondary bedrooms that boast natural light, newer flooring and generous closet space. Updated second bathroom will impress with modern wood cabinetry, quartz countertop and Kohler undermount sink. The office/den has crown molding, updated flooring and leader glass door. Laundry room offers shelving, cabinetry and a sink. Even the garage has been updated with epoxy flooring, new opener, 2018, and a whole house PELICAN water filtration system, 2019. Additional features/updates include tray ceilings, 8 doors and arched entries, natural gas and a wireless alarm system upgraded to 5G and 3M security film on all the windows. Renaissance Country Club has an expansive golf shop, restaurant, pool, fitness including an indoor walk/jogging track and a full-service day spa/wellness center. You have access to Sun City Center amenities that has over 100 clubs and organizations to choose from.